Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to check the manufacturing date of this laptop. In order to check your laptop's manufacturing date, you're gonna have to check its serial number, which is located on the back cover of your device. So just close the lid and turn it around so you can see the back side, and right here you can find the serial number of your device. Now take a closer look at 4th, 5th and 6th digits. For me those are 046 and the 4th one, which is 0, stands for the last digit of the year when the laptop was manufactured. So my laptop was manufactured in 2020, and 46 is the number of the week when this laptop was manufactured. So 46th week is the middle of November, which means that this laptop was manufactured in November 2020, and that's how you check the manufacturing date on your HP. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.